So psychology, right? Psychology is a big part of trading. Without without the right psychology, you cannot make it in trading. That's just the reality of it, right? And the reason I'm making this video is because so many of these trading gurus out here, trading influencers out here are giving you guys the wrong way to deal with psychology. They're telling you to get rid of your fear, get rid of every single emotion you feel when trading, which is completely wrong because those feelings you feel while trading, when you feel FOMO, when you feel fear, anger, greed, whatever you feel, those are all emotions, and it's all things that makes us human beings, right? All the emotions you feel is what makes you human being. If you get rid of those emotions, you are gonna become a robot, and obviously you're gonna be less human, right? So first thing I would tell you is to ignore all those things that they tell you about psychology, where they tell you to get rid of your emotions, because it's completely wrong, right? I might not be the ideal person to take advice on psychology because I never really had real issues when it comes to psychology. I believe that every trader is at least one of these three things. Some people is all three. I only had one problem, whether it's the technical parts of trading, psychology, or uh, the lack of capital, right? So having a little bit to start with. My problem was obviously starting with a little amount of money. But it doesn't mean my advice isn't good. It doesn't mean the advice I'm gonna give you guys in this video is not worth listening. So hear me out, alright? The first step I would have is to follow a trading plan. Um, it can't just be any trading plan. It has to be a trading plan where it allows you to take your mind off of psychology and just put it all in on discipline, right? So you, every single time you trade, every single day you step into the markets, you look at the plan, and it tells you when to be in a trade, when to be out of the trade, how much to risk, all those things. And like, it's really important to have a trading plan, especially as a beginner, especially as someone who is struggling with psychology as you might be since you clicked in this video. So my first advice is to follow a good trading plan. My second tip or advice is to never trade with your lost money. If you're gonna trade with money that you can't afford to lose, it's gonna make everything so much worse than it really is. It's gonna make you, like, the fear of losing that money in the account, if it's your lost money, it's gonna be so much more compared to when you aren't trading with your lost money. So this is an important piece of advice, but never ever trade with your lost money. If you don't have money to trade, and then go get the money to trade, and also it shouldn't be your lost money, or rather trade on demo, or maybe buy you a funded account, but also don't buy you a funded account if it's your lost money, because you can also blow the funded account. So how do you know if you're supposed to be trading? When you first ask yourself, if I lose this money, will I still be fine financially? Will it affect me? Will it put me into debt? If you answer yes, then don't trade. If you answer no, and then it's fine to trade. My last advice, my last tip is to accept the losses, to kind of embrace the losses, because at the end of the day, losses is always going to be part of the game. Trading and losses, it has to go together. You can't be a trader without taking a loss. You will never in your whole life have a strategy that is 100% correct, 100% win rate. You will never find anything like that. You can have 100% win rate in a day, in a week, but over your last 100 trades, you're never gonna have 100% win rate. And so kind of change your mindset when it comes to losses and realize that that's gonna be part of the game forever. You're gonna take losses forever, so you might as well embrace it and like stop caring that much about losses, because if you follow your trading plan, like I said at the start, my first advice was literally to follow a proper trading plan, kind of the perfect trading plan. And on the perfect trading plan, there's supposed to be how much you're supposed to risk per trade. Your risk management is supposed to be on the trading plan. So if you follow that plan, a loss shouldn't really affect you. It should just be like, I took a loss today, so that's fine. So don't don't look at the loss as a loss, because it really isn't that deep. And yeah, I think that's the three best advice I can give you guys on psychology. There isn't really anything more I can tell you guys on how to deal with psychology. But if you felt like this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe. And if it helped you out, comment down below which one of these three things I said helped you out the most. If you feel like you have more advice that you can share with us, with the people in the comments, make sure to comment down below what helped you with your psychology.